All right, so today we are going to work on creating a PowerPoint slide. So the first thing that I would like you to do is go down to your Start menu and scroll down until you find Microsoft PowerPoint. Mine just says PowerPoint, so that's what I'm going to click on. And you wait for it to open up. Okay, it will come to a screen that looks like this. You can choose whichever template you would like to choose. If you want one that's already made, or you can just click on a blank presentation and do your own kind of template or slide. So we're going to pick one of these, and it will bring up. You can do different colors, different themes. That's one. You can do the like I said, a different color. I kind of like this one, so we're going to go ahead and go with that one. Create. Click on Create. Then you've got if you want to add text, you can click on to add title. Say we're going to do our presentation on sloths for just something to do. Okay, you can add a subtitle, or you can just say by you. Okay, you can also add pictures. You can click up here where it says insert and go to pictures. Sometimes they have some pictures already online. We can go in here, type in sloths, see what it comes up with. Look at all these cute little sloths. You can pick one that you like. I personally like this one. So you just click on it. It should bring a little check mark up there that says you have selected that one, and insert it. Then you can either resize the picture yourself and put it where you would want it. There are also on the right side of your screen some design ideas, so it will help you if they're already made. You can click on it and say, hey, I want it to look like that, or you can say I would like for it to have the sloth picture in the background. Whichever is your preference. I personally like this one. So we've created our slide. Now if you want to insert a new slide, or if you want to do a slide on their habitat or on their babies or what they eat, you just come up here to where it says new slide, and it will let you pick from a variety of slides. You can pick one that whichever kind you want. This is a comparison, or you can just go with a blank slide too. So that's pretty much, it's really easy to do. So now you can do it again to make your own slide.